Hello, my dear children. Today I am Shalini Khanna again with you for the next very interesting topic, rational numbers. Basics you all know about rational numbers. I'll tell you how. We all know what are natural numbers. Natural numbers start with they start with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity. Infinity means there is no end, there is no limit. If we talk about whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Again limitless, no end. Then we talk about integers. Integers also we did. Yes, my dear children, they are the negative numbers and the positive numbers, that is -1, -2, -3 and 1, 2, 3 so on. This we did in the first chapter. Very easy for you who are all great mathematicians. Okay, then comes fractions, where we did any number in the form of p by q, and these both are positive numbers. Right. Positive numbers means p is also positive and q is also positive, and q is not equal to 0. No, it cannot be 0. Now, if we talk about the integers, which did negative numbers means which are showing the negative side. Like, for example, we talk about the temperature which is below 0. The distance which is below the sea level, that we count in integers. If I say the distance of one particular pole, maybe the top of the pole is 3 by 4 kilometers above the sea level, तो आप उसमें यही लिखोगे 3 by 4 kilometer above the sea level, that is 0 plus. But if I say there is something, there is a pole which is 3 by 4 kilometers below the sea level. What you will do? Now below sea level, so we have to denote it with negative sign. So obviously it will be minus. और जब वो minus होगा, तो it will be in the form of fraction with the negative sign. And it will be included in the rational numbers. Means rational numbers is the combination of integers and fractions. In fractions, we have only positive numerator and denominator. In rational numbers, we can have p oblique q, both positive. We can have minus p oblique minus q, both negative. We can have minus p and denominator is q, or we can have positive numerator and negative denominator. All these include rational numbers. All these are known as rational numbers. I hope this point is clear to all. Very good, children. Let's come to the next part. As we have seen कि rational numbers are almost same as fractions. तो इनकी जितनी भी calculations होंगी, they all will be almost similar to fractions. Like if we talk about equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers में क्या होगा? If I am saying 2 by 3. Now, 2 by 3, how we can make it equivalent? We will multiply both the numerators and denominators with the same number, and it will give us 4 by 6. If I put negative sign here, now it's a rational number. Earlier also it was a rational number, but the change is it can be positive also, it can be negative also. So if there is any negative sign, so in the numerator also you will multiply as you multiply the integers, and you will get minus 4 by 6. If I take positive and negative rational numbers, I have already told you they can be positive also, they can be negative also. Very good. Now comes number line. Number line is also same as we have done in the fractions. If I draw a number line here, suppose, again I'll take 0 in the center, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here I will take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now whatever you want to show, you can show on any of the side. And the process will be same as we did in the fractions. Right? So I am not repeating it. You know how to present fraction on the number line. I already gave the video. You have to check that video and learn how to show the fractions on the number line. Same way you will show the rational numbers on the number line. Very good, students. Then coming to reducing to standard form, again it's same. You have to, if you are having suppose 16 upon 18. Now 16 upon 18, you can reduce it to the lowest terms. 2 8s are and 2 9s are. So the answer will be 8 upon 9. Same. No change in that. And if we have to do the comparison. Now, if I am having minus 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, same you will take the LCM. 5 और 3 का LCM आएगा 15. LCM divided by denominator 5, 5 2s are 10, minus 10. 15 divided by 5, 3, 3 4s are 12. Now you can see minus 10 is bigger or 12 is bigger. Obviously, my 12 is bigger. So 4 by 5 will be the bigger term. One thing I want to clarify here. You know, when you do the comparison, if one rational number is negative and one is positive, then obviously the positive one will be bigger. Because a whole number or a natural number is always bigger than the negative number. Right? If both are negative, then you have to use this method. Okay. Next, our topic is rational numbers. How to find 2 rational numbers or 3 rational numbers or maybe n number of numbers between 2 rational numbers. I'll take 2 examples here. They both are from your exercise 9.1. This is chapter 9 in your NCERT book. Now, minus 2 and minus 1. These two are whole simple numbers not having any denominator. So, first we will give them the denominator. That will be minus 2 upon 1 and minus 1 upon 1. Okay. We will multiply them with a bigger number. Which bigger number? See, here also you can use a trick. If you have to find, suppose you have to find 5 rational numbers between these 2 numbers. First step is to make the denominator same. But already we are having the denominator same here. So no need to do that step. अगर यहाँ पे denominator अलग होता है, then you have to take the LCM and make the denominator same. That I'll show you in the next example. Now, if I talk about these denominators, they are same and we have to find 5 rational numbers in between them. So what we will do? We will multiply them by 6. And we will multiply numerators also and denominators also. Okay. So it will be minus 12 upon 6. It will be minus 6 upon 6. इन दोनों के बीच में आपको रैशनल नंबर्स निकालने हैं. So minus 12 upon 6 और minus 6 upon 6 के बीच में denominators are already same. Minus 11 upon 6, minus 10 upon 6, minus 9 upon 6, minus 8 upon 6, minus 7 upon 6. And minus 6 upon 6. Right? So these are the 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. You can multiply it by 8 also, 10 also, 11 also. That is your choice. There are n number of rational numbers between these 2 rational numbers. If I take the fractions, Here the denominator is not same. So first we will make them equivalent. Minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. We will take the LCM, which will be 15. LCM divided by denominator multiplied by numerator. I am using the same formula. Minus 12 and minus 10. Now, this is minus 12 by 15 and this is minus 10 by 15. We have to find 5 rational numbers. So, I will multiply this by 6 and this also I will multiply by 6. Everywhere I will multiply by 6. ये हो जाएगा minus 72 upon 90 और ये हो जाएगा minus 60 upon 90. अब minus 72 और minus 60 के बीच में जितने भी numbers आते हैं you can write minus 71 upon 90, minus 70 upon 90, minus 69 upon 90, minus 68 upon 90, minus 67 upon 90. कोई भी 5 नंबर्स आप इसमें लिख सकते हो. दैट इज योर चॉइस. ओके, सो दिस वॉज योर बेसिक्स अबाउट द रैशनल नंबर्स. होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड. थैंक यू वेरी मच.